Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so welcome to Compression City, where, you push up a little bit, you have a little false breakout, you have a little false breakdown. At the end of the day, you really don't go anywhere at all. That's been happening now for the last 7 or 8 sessions. And there will always be a little patch of this during the summer. And that's fine, because on the other end of it is expansion. Expansion is great. So the reality here is you've got the daily mid-band, the 20-day simple moving average, doing what we discussed. It's gradually coming up to meet price, more as a function of time than anything else. And so we're going to get this middle band test, maybe even today. The new weekly pivot is coming in at 71.03. You can see they're not, the weekly pivots, I don't know if I can get out to a couple weeks. You see that they're not really all that far away. They're just a little, just barely gradually higher. And that's all a function of compression. So, should it get a test? Absolutely. Should it get a test this morning? Probably. And how price deals with it is going to be important. 77.78 remains resistance. You've got this whole 76 to 78, 76 to 80 if you want to go up to the all-time high resistance zone that has been a problem for the bears now. I'll zoom it out one more time. It's been a problem. Ever since we printed that high, we went down and made the low, you've got issues every time you get up into 77.78. Back on the 1st, 77.25. On the 4th, 77.75. And overnight, 77.5. So the bulls have problems of their own. You don't get compression on the daily like that unless neither side is able to finish off the other. And that's essentially what we've got here. So what am I looking for today? The same thing I always look for on a Monday. Okay. How does weekly pivot react? Are we going to continue making higher lows, which is all you see off this bottom? But, you have to see the higher highs that go with it. You get a bunch of higher lows that bump into expansion, and eventually it's going to give way to the downside. I will always give the advantage of the lean to the bulls on a Monday morning, where we spend the night before and ever since Sunday night trading above weekly pivot. So I think they have the nod. The dip buyers will show up. They will buy. The issue becomes, what do the bears do after the dip buyers buy? Are they going to fight back? We're going to get a lower low, or are they going to lay down and we'll go try 78 again, and maybe this time it gets up and through. That will all get played out in the morning. Everybody have a fantastic morning of trading. I will catch everybody on Twitter, Instagram. There'll be a midday update today, and we'll see who won the morning and how it sets up for the afternoon. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.